In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet from Gmail. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to Gmail. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Meet. That's your hub for starting or joining video calls without leaving your inbox. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling or expanding the sidebar. It's usually just below your inbox categories. To start a new meeting, click New Meeting. You'll see three choices. Get a meeting link to share creates a unique link you can copy and send by email or chat. This is ideal when people will join later or from different time zones. Copy the link and paste it wherever your team coordinates. Recipients can open it in a browser without installing anything. Start an instant meeting opens a meeting room right away, so you can jump on a quick call. Perfect for urgent discussions or quick check-ins. Schedule in Google Calendar opens a new calendar event, where you can pick the date and time, add guests, and the Meet link is added automatically, keeping everything organized. Calendar will send invites for you, so double-check the time zone and use the description field for an agenda or links. If you choose an instant meeting, you'll land in a preview screen. Check that your microphone and camera look good, and if prompted, allow browser permissions. You can mute yourself or turn the camera off before you enter, and background blur can help if your space is busy. When everything's set, click Join Now to start the call and you're live. You can always share the meeting link from the meeting window if more people need to join. Now let's cover how to join a meeting from Gmail when someone else is hosting. Open Gmail and again, click Meet on the left. Choose Join a Meeting, then select Join with a code. Type the meeting code or nickname provided by the organizer and click Join. Codes are usually a short combination of letters. Dashes are optional, and it isn't case-sensitive. You don't need the full URL, just the code. If the host has lobby controls on, you might see a message to wait until you're admitted. Just hang tight. For best results, join from a quiet space and consider headphones to reduce echo. If you use multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed into the right one for access. That's it. You can start, schedule, or join Google Meet calls straight from Gmail, keeping everything in one place and saving time. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.